if you have seen a dream to start your own business, then you are at the right place. You know why? Because I was thinking about starting my own business to start a restaurant, and today I'm going to make it true. So if you have the same passion, same dream, I think you are at a perfect place. Let's do it together. But you know, starting a new business is not easy. In order to start my business for a restaurant, I need to meet a different guy, different people. Starting a journey from looking at the building or a space. For that, I need to visit a consulting company. Then I need to have a architectural, I need to have a construction company, I need to have a furniture to create an ambience and lightings. So, are you ready to start your own business? Yes? Let's do it together then. So, the first thing, I have got a contact from one of my friends that there is a good real estate company, property company who is dealing on the real estate business. And I just visit their website. It looks really professional, good. Wow, good effect. Lot of property option. You know, I can go to matchmaking and I have different options to put, and they will contact me later based on my preference. But I'm in hurry because I wanted to go fast. So let's go and search the properties option which is available. Wow. For the moment, what I'm looking for, it's better to have something to renovate fast so that we can do a quick project. Let's put another option because I wanted to be sure that it's scale. It helps me to scale for more business in future. Okay, I have one option available which is old farm. Good. Let's go and check the details. So its potential, price. Okay, let's do one thing. You know, it's better to go and directly meet the people rather than just looking at the website. So let me put my contact detail. mga@odoo.com. And let's ask, can I visit? Can I visit the property? And boom. Is that? Let's see. I have sent a meeting invitation, like contact them, and let's see when I get the next details.
So Mantvya is looking to buy a property. I will play the role of the property owner. So for that, I started with the Odoo industry real estate, and I'm a real estate agent. So when I connect to my website, that's the website I designed, that Mantvya visited, I can go to my backend, and from there you see here, I have a new application linked to the real estate property to manage my properties. From this tab, I have a look at all my properties, like this, and let's go on different menu. So from here, I have a map view, and I can have a look at all my properties on the map. But I can also check all the buyers, my directory of buyers who are interested to buy something, and Mantvya is in one of them. Or the visits that we organized. We have nothing this week, but we will plan some visit later on and some reporting. Let's go to the property and let's have a look at the old farm here, the one Mantvya is interested in. And from here, you see, you can manage everything, the documents, the property information, like the surface, everything, because you can add your custom filters. Let's have a look at the buyers. So here I have the different buyers, and you see here, right away in my CRM, I have, can I visit from Mantvya? So I can click on his request. He's a good guy, so AI computed 91% probability that we do something with him. Looks good. And from there, I can manage the whole sales cycle. So because he's asking for a visit, I will just move in the pipeline and right away offer him to visit the two. The faster thing is just click visit, and he will receive an email so that he can book his visit online. This is synchronized with my agenda. So no need to talk rich. If he's working during the day, by night he can book a meeting to visit the property. I will do it for him. So if you don't mind, Mantvya, I will just book the visit for you. He can just click here, select the date, select at what time he wants to visit. I book for him, otherwise it will be the same. And the visit is booked automatically. So now it's integrated in my agenda. You see how efficient that is? And how was the visit, Mantvya? Did you like the property?
Yes, it's really good.
Good.
Yeah.
So maybe you want
Send
to
me a
make an offer?
Send me a proposal.
Yeah, okay. So I will send an offer template to Mantvya. So for this, just one click, send the template, Mantvya, but I'm gonna replace by myself so that it's easier to show you. Sign, and he will receive an email, and when he click on the email, he can make an offer for the property directly. All he has to do is to sign the document and create an offer online. So just like that, you can streamline. Sorry, the party yesterday was a bit heavy. Just like that, you can streamline your full real estate management and automate most of the process and offer a very good service to the customer. You see, Mantvya asked online directly, get a mail for a visit and then get a document to make an offer.
Wow.
And in order to summarize that, we have a small video that
Running your real estate agency has never been easier. With Odoo, list properties on your website in seconds, track leads and schedule visits effortlessly, match buyers and properties instantly with our smart matchmaking feature, and much more. At Horizon Homes, we know that a great website is key to any successful real estate agency. With Odoo, we built ours in just a few clicks, and now potential buyers can easily explore all our properties, whether for sale or for rent. Mark is looking to buy a villa near Brussels, ideally with 2 bedrooms and a big backyard for his dog, Marcus, who, well, needs a lot of space. Thanks to the filters, Mark quickly narrows down the search to match his exact criteria. Oh, this villa looks interesting. He'll add it to his favorites. Let's compare it with that pool house. Wow, those villas are stunning, just not quite in Mark's budget. He signs up for our matchmaking and sets a maximum price of 450,000 euros. Behind the scenes, Mark's contact is instantly created in the system with all his search criteria already filled in. Now every time we add matching properties to our catalog, Odoo automatically sends him a personalized email with the new listings. From quiet suburbs to bright spotlights, Sarah is selling her home to pursue her lifelong dream of becoming a jazz singer in the city. She lands on our website and reaches out through the free estimate form. In Odoo's CRM app, Sarah's request instantly pops up as a new lead. We assign it to our top agent, who schedules an activity in Odoo to arrange a visit with Sarah and estimate the property. Perfect, the estimation is done. Time to create Sarah's house in our Properties app. We estimated the house at 400,000 euros. We then enter all the details about the property. It's situated in a nice region, has 3 bedrooms, a beautiful garden, and is available right away. From the Sales tab, we define the ribbon that will appear on the listing on our website. With the smart buttons, we can see at a glance that we already have 8 potential buyers for these criteria. When we tell Sarah about the interested buyers, she feels reassured and decides to trust us with the sale. Let's move Sarah's opportunity to the qualified stage and send her a quotation. We charge a 2% commission on the house price, add our service pack, and a professional photo shoot. And in just a few seconds, the quotation is ready to be sent. Sarah signs the quote digitally, and just like that, her house is ready to be sold. In just one click, it's published on our website and visible to all potential buyers. We can also publish the property on any external website. Thanks to its unique ID, all incoming leads are automatically linked to Sarah's house in Odoo. And thanks to our powerful reporting tool, we can easily see all the current inquiries about Sarah's property and send it to her. Remember Mark and Marcus? Thanks to Odoo's matchmaking feature, Mark receives an email notification about Sarah's property. Wow, look at this garden. Mark can already picture Marcus running around like a happy doggy dog. Excited, he immediately requests a visit. The opportunity instantly pops up in Odoo, and with just one click, an email is sent with a calendar to book a visit at his preferred date and time. In our appointment app, I have a clear view of all upcoming visits, helping us stay organized and responsive. And if your team uses Google Calendar or Outlook, Odoo syncs external calendars to ensure everything stays up to date. Marcus was thrilled by the visit, so Mark didn't hesitate to put in an offer of 450,000 euros. Sarah can't believe how fast the offer came and agrees right away. Time to update the property's banner to sold. We coordinate with both Sarah and Mark to finalize the sale, and all our documents are securely stored within our Documents app. Time to send the invoice to Sarah. We simply adapt the final price and send the invoice to Sarah with just one click. Sarah reviews the invoice, and once it's paid, the payment status is automatically updated. And thanks to Odoo, Mark, Marcus, and Sarah can now embrace the exciting journey ahead in their new home. Level up your real estate agency today at odoo.com.
Wow.
Running your
It was super fast. You know, just in few steps, I'm able to buy property on the fly. And look at my the farmhouse what I bought. Now I think I need to make a renovation. So for that, let's contact architecture to convert this old farmhouse into a beautiful restaurant. For that, again, I will contact to one of my friend who is already into this business, architect. Look at his website. It feels like the second website I'm seeing today, and it's made up with Odoo website builder. Professional image, photos, and super clean. I don't know how to contact, maybe contact us or no. Let's go to appointment. It's super good feature, like instead of just sending email, I can easily schedule a meeting. Is he available today? Yeah. So let's meet 12:30. And number. And let's confirm that one. And I'm sure that we will be contacted soon by my friend. Okay, done. I can add this contact calendar invitation to my Google or Outlook so that it will remind me quickly.
So I am the architect, and I'm gonna design everything we need in order to renovate Mantvya's future restaurant. And for that, I use the architect industry of Odoo. So let's jump right in. So if you go to my calendar, I already have a meeting booked automatically with Mantvya, because Odoo was perfectly synced with Google or Odoo Outlook. And because we have this meeting, let's go straight away in my CRM. And you see in my CRM, I also have a meeting for a video conference with a link. And right from there, I can meet Mantvya and make a quotation for him. So I click on new quotation, customer is already created, and I select a full mission. And I have a template with all my usual architectural things. So let's have a look at the different things. Do you need some permits, Mantvya, or?
No, I already have it.
Okay, so I'm gonna remove permit, he doesn't need. I can add new things. I will offer him the mileage, because he's close by, so I won't charge for that. And once my quotation is good, I can send him to Mantvya. I choose a design, maybe different colors. I prefer the purple, like this, and send. So Mantvya, if you can review the quotation, and if you like it, can you sign it?
You send me an email?
Yes, you have an email with the quotation.
Let me check. Yes. Okay. Looks fine. I did the sign.
Okay. Because he signed, it's automatically converted into a project with tasks in Odoo. So we have now everything ready to offer our architect services. So we have a project with templates of tasks, and I can even record the hours by the timesheet or plan my people. So let's have a look at the tasks. We have a few tasks here, or I can go to the project. Let's go to the project, and I have a full project here. From the project, I can add everything I want to manage my project. So usually architects, they work with documents, sale order, timesheet, expense maybe, bills. and I have everything I need here. So I can record timesheet and start working on Mantvya's project. I do this, and I will charge him 8 hours. Or, you know, architects, they have a lot of documents, so they can manage their document, and Odoo already provided me some templates. So I can go to the different directory here, and I have templates where I can store all the documents easily. I don't take photos or I upload just like these 2 documents. That way, I can manage all my photos, videos, I can manage time in the timesheet, and when we are good, all I have to do is just come back to my quotation and send an invoice to Mantvya, like this. So Mantvya, if you can check the invoice, pay it, we can proceed and design your future restaurant.
Okay. Can I pay online, right?
Yes, you can do. So Odoo sends an email, and he can sign and pay directly online, so it's fast.
Okay, I made the payment.
And when he is paid, the facture is written as paid.
Wow. So, I have an old farmhouse. I have a design. Now, I think it's time to move forward and ask one of my friends who is into a construction business, and he will help me to get constructed my old farmhouse with new design and will make a beautiful restaurant. Let me send him an email because, okay, so, hello Fabien. Okay. So I send email to him, and I'm sure that I will get contacted soon by him over a call or.
So this time I work in the construction industry, and I installed the construction package of Odoo. And you will see that right away, everything I need in order to run my construction business is in Odoo. So because he sent me an email, Odoo is fully integrated with the CRM. So if I go to the CRM, I have a new email here, which is new expertise for my upcoming restaurant, coming from Mantvya Gajjar, as you can see here. So I can start working on this quotation. So let's do, let's send him a quotation for new customer. And I'm gonna use a template in order to speed up recording. And just like that, I have my usual template. But you know, in the construction industry, it's not easy to do quotation. There are so many things. You have roof, garden, walls, floor, so many things. So I designed with Odoo spreadsheet a tool to help me calculate the quotation. So I go to the quote calculator, and from here, I can design my estimation of the time. So for instance, he needs stone repair, 10 days. He has tile supply, 4, roof structure, 10. And using my custom formulas, it's computing automatically everything. Do you need acoustic insulation in your restaurant, Mantvya?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Okay, let's put 4 extra days. Bathroom, 2 bathrooms, 2 restrooms, lighting, yes, this. And just like that, like in a spreadsheet, we could design for my specific needs. I can make a quote, and now you see I have 54 days of labor, and just to purchase the material, I have 4.4, 5.4, and 8 days for the project management. So if you come back to my quote, everything is updated here, as you can see. 54 days for the labor, and then 5 days for the project management, and 8 days to purchase the materials. And here the materials are available here, but if I want to fine-tune, just click on the catalog, and I can reduce. Maybe a little bit less bathrooms, 2 is enough, maybe more doors, 6, 7 doors, 8 doors. I just change, and the quotation is ready. I can send the quotation to Mantvya, just like this. So you see how it's perfectly fine-tuned for the construction industry. Now Mantvya received a beautiful quotation with all the details. Let me know if it's okay for you.
Yes, I'm just signing.
Okay.
Done.
So when he signs, everything appears automatically. My project, timesheet, delivery, because we have product to deliver, and the quote calculation are available right away on my project. So let's go to project. So I have my team in the field. that have a new project here, Sale Order 5, for our whole farm renovation in a guest house. So go here, and we have all the tasks based on templates that are ready to be processed. So I can start working on it, use artificial intelligence to assign or do it manually, and then I can work on my project, record timesheets, check the planning of my team, review the multiple documents. So I have some documents here, like the floor plan of this restaurant that is available here. And so I can start working on the project and deliver the products. All right. That's good for me.
So, Fabien has already started working on my renovation project, construction project, and in few days, it looks like this. Isn't it amazing? It's too fast, huh? So, you know, now we are ready with the restaurant. It's time to make a big renovation in terms of, let's say, setting up furniture, lighting, and so on. So, in order to do that, let's go to furniture store, which is nearby, like within the city and nearby our restaurant. Let's go. Wow, it looks amazing. I feel like all the website I'm seeing today is built with Odoo website builder. But what is interesting for me is to go to shop, look what are the options available. So what I'm looking for is table, chair, and yeah, let's go to dining. And I'm looking for Boko chair, it looks good. So two options available. I think black one looks good. So I need around 30 chair, maybe some tables. This looks good. I think it's matched with my chair design. Maybe 5 table.
Add to cart. We are so used to not have a save button in Odoo that sometimes in website we forget to add to cart.
Okay. Okay, table, chair. Add to cart. And I think I need some chairs for my bar. Okay, this looks good. Maybe 8. Look at the cart. Okay, this is exactly what I want. So let's do a checkout. And I think it's a good idea to visit the store so that we can check other options if it is available. So let me put all the details. .com, contact number 192 3826 India, Gujarat. Continue. And okay, so we can save on the delivery cost, and we can go and check physical store. What's the store available nearby me? This one. Okay, let's choose this one and confirm. And okay, I will pay at the shop so that I can add more details, more things into my cart if it is required. And let's confirm the payment mode. And it's done. So I think it's time to visit the store.
So I am the store owner. I created this beautiful website on Odoo, and from the backend, I can also manage my shop. So before Mantvya arrive, I will open the shop, and at the beginning of the day, I will just open the shop and start working on a new order. Hello.
Hello.
So you have an order?
Yes, I already have an order on
Okay.
the name of Mantvya.
So I'm going to load the order that Mantvya placed on the website. I can load it from the point of sale because everything is integrated. So you see here, we have a sale order for Mantvya Gajjar. All I have to do is to click on it and settle the order, and I load everything he ordered. 5 tables, 30 chairs, and 8 toolbar. And pick up in store is free.
Do you have any light options available?
Yes, we have beautiful lights. We have these ceiling lamps or the round globe. What do you want?
Maybe you can add like two, three more.
Two, three sailing lights, three round globes,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, perfect.
And now we can settle the order of Mantvya from the shop. So I click on payment. How do you want to pay?
I will pay with cash.
Cash. Okay, 20,000. 20,000. So here are 4,000. Ship later, you get it from now.
Maybe I can take it with me. I
Okay.
come with him.
So I'm going to validate your order, and you have a truck with you?
Yes.
Or because Mantvya is a truck, if you can go to the warehouse, in the back end we have the warehouse, and we will load your truck.
Okay.
So from the back end, the warehouse operators, they have the preparation display, this screen, and when Mantvya comes in, they know exactly what they have to load in the truck. So they can load items of everything he ordered one by one. 5 tables, 30 chairs, 8 bar stool, 2 sailing, 3. And boom, we loaded the truck of Mantvya so that now he can furnish his restaurant.
Wow. Now I'm back to my hotel with truck, and all the people, they are helping me to get things set up. So good, we have set up furniture, we have set up light, everything. But you know, still I feel there is something missing. The entry of the hotel, something I feel it's missing something there. So let's set up a reception table so that it can create an effect for my restaurant. But you know, it is very difficult to get that kind of table in a standard shop. So I think it's a good idea to call one of my friends who is already making such things like custom furniture, and he will help me to get things done for my hotel. Hello? Yeah.
Apollo.
Yeah. I'm looking for a reception table and chair. If you can help me for my hotel.
Okay, let me do a quotation for you. I'm gonna send you by email or WhatsApp in a few seconds.
Okay.
So, because Mantvya wants a quotation for a custom desk that we will manufacture, let me go to the quotation, send him a quotation. So I'm going to use a template, interior design. And from there, that is my usual template when we manufacture products, I'm going to add what Mantvya is needed. So you ask for a reception desk?
Yes.
How many chairs?
Just one.
2? Or
Yeah,
one?
maybe you can put 2.
2 is good. Huh? And I just click, and it's done. Come back to my quotation, and I have a quotation with chairs that we will furnish from the store, and a custom that we will produce. So we have multiple sections in my quotation, things we will produce and things we will install. So let's send him the quotation as he asked for. One click, and he received the quotation, either by email or by WhatsApp. I have to send to mga@odoo.com, I forget his email. Send, and he gets the quotation directly. Is it good for you, Mantvya?
Yes.
So if you can sign the quotation online, we'll start the manufacturing of your products.
Okay, I've signed.
Okay? As Mantvya signs, everything appears automatically. Now my project is ready to manufacture. So the shop floor, they know already everything they need to do. We have my delivery orders that is ready too. All right, so let's have a look at my shop floor. So from my shop floor, the workers can work. We have stations where we can design the multiple work centers. We'll activate the 4. And here, as you can see, there is a new order here for a custom reception desk. Let's have a look. First, it starts in the assembly area. So multiple operators can start working on it. Let's say I have Fabien that starts working on it. You just click on it. And Jane, just click on it. So now we have 2 workers working to manufacture the desk that Mantvya requested. When it's done, all they have to do is press on the tablet or the screen, done. And that way, we can track every task in the manufacturing shop floor. Because the assembly is done, we have to do the core board, start working on it, done. When it's done, now we have the sanding area to make the desk clean, so they will sand, it's another team, start working on it, done. And at the end, when I will do done, you see now in quality I have 0 items to do, but at the end, when I will finish the sanding, mark done, I have 1 quality check that appeared, so the team can come, start working on it, and done when it's done. So just like that, put a computer in your shop floor and you can manage all your different manufacturing teams in a very easy user interface. They have to click on the cards. So now we manufacture the desk of Mantvya. Let's go to the back end. I have another team which is in charge to install the desk on its location. And for that, we will use the field service application. So if I go to the field service, all tasks, I have a delivery and installation here for Mantvya. And you see here, it reminds me that before going to Mantvya's location, I need to pick 3 products. It's 1 desk and 2 chairs. So that's where I know exactly what I need to load before going to the customer location. Just click validate to say it's done. And now that I start working on it, I can start manufacturing at Mantvya's future restaurant and do the installation on site. When it's done, I can stop so that we log the time and we know the cost we spent on site. So now we can show the worksheet to Mantvya or make him sign the report. So the report, let's have a look. The report is like this. I can show the Mantvya the report of everything we did. We did the initial design, the development, the concept, we delivered 2 products. I've spent 15 minutes on site, and you have the exact report to Mantvya so that I can invoice him easily. And if he agrees, I just send the invoice at the end. And my full flow from quote to order to manufacturing to delivery on site with quality test has been done easily for my custom manufacturing project.
Good. So I receive a reception table and look at my restaurant. Now I am ready. We have the opening, and now we have launched a website, we have set up our restaurant, we have set up point of sale software, kitchen display, everything, and now we are waiting for our first customer.
So this time I will play the guest, and I'm a guest who wants to go to the new Mantvya's restaurant. So for that, I go to his website that he designed with Odoo, and looks like it's a great restaurant. Food look amazing, looks good. Because it's great, I will book a table. And because he used Odoo, everything is simple. I can book a table right away for today, 2 people, and we look at the availabilities, and I would say 1 p.m. My name is Fabien, and phone number. And just like that, I booked the table at Mantvya's restaurant. All right, so I can add to my agenda so that I don't forget to go to the restaurant, and now I'm going to the restaurant of Mantvya's. Hello?
Hello, Fabien.
Yes?
Yeah, welcome. So you make a reservation?
Yes, I make a reservation.
Let's check. So I have a booking. Okay.
At the name of Fabien.
Okay. Okay, I make you check in, and let me guide you to the table.
Which table?
Table 3.
Okay.
And help me to get like what you want in a drink.
Give me a lot of drinks.
Okay.
I'm thirsty. Not only beers, a few cokes also.
Okay, what you want in main course? I think.
Can I get a sushi lunch combo?
Okay. So, there is a Coca.
Yes.
Lunch.
I can get 2 out of this.
Yes, you can get a 2.
Give me the salmon and the avocado.
Okay. And what you want in
Dessert or maybe a burger. Dessert's perfect.
Okay, you want with sweet French
Sweet
fries?
potatoes, yes.
Okay. Pasta maybe?
Yeah, pasta, good. And give me the extra mushroom and cheese.
Okay. Okay, so let me fire course 1 so that my kitchen will get notified about this code. And it's done. And in my kitchen, I already have a notification for the preparation. So let's say from kitchen they were to deliver this, they were to prepare and serve beer, Minute Maid, and iced tea. So it's ready. Let's the waiter they come and collect it and it's done.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So likewise, I can go to table 3 and fire all the course one by one, and in preparation display, it will kitchen display, it will automatically appear. Let's go and fire third one. It's done. At the end, so let me go to table 3 and prepare a bill for you. How you are going to pay payment?
Going to pay by cash.
Cash. Okay. I did it. And done. So you see how it's easy. Let's say from website you get a meeting, like reservation, the table time reservation. You book a table, you take an order, course 1, 2, 3, or maybe you can define your course by yourself. And then you can fire a course that will automatically notify to your kitchen. They will prepare a course and the waiter will serve to the table. You know, there is one more interesting thing, that every table you need to put a QR code so that the visitor can scan a QR code and order by themselves from the table itself. I think it's time to close my restaurant. Let's close restaurant, and let's check the inventory so that we can prepare for tomorrow or for next week. Let's go to inventory and check the stock. Report stock. I'm running out of stock. Let's go to purchase. So I need to make a purchase from my regular vendor, my drink, and go to catalog. Okay, I have a really good feature. So let's say instead of just looking at what I am looking for, looking at inventory and then make a list and everything, instead of that, Odoo will suggest me that what I should purchase based on my last 30 days of consumption, and considering the events or happening things in the hotel, I can forecast my inventory on the fly. So past 30 days, plan for next 7 days, and consider like 20% more than what we consume. Compute, and you see it will suggest me everything what I should buy for next 7 days. So let's add everything to my quotation, confirm the order, and send order by email, so that my vendor can get notified at odoo.com. So he can get notified and deliver me on time.
So I am the beverage distributor, and I'm the supplier of Mantvya. Because he sent me an order by email, now I receive this order in my emails. So if I go to my emails, Gmail, you see here I have a new order from Mantvya. So he's asking to buy all the beverage he needs for the next few days. So I'm going to download his purchase order. But you know, recording everything manually is error prone. I can do mistake, it is slow, and so on. So what I will do, I'm going to go to my sales, because I will make a sale order quotation for Mantvya. I will get his purchase order and drag and drop, just like this. And without doing anything, the full order is recorded. And because Mantvya is a restaurant, he's buying beverage every day, every 2 days. So for me, for all the restaurants to be automated like that, it's a huge saving of time. But you see, it's the first time that Mantvya is buying water. Coca-Cola and iced tea, we know its habit, so it's detected automatically. We know what format he needs by pack of 24 and 33 centiliters. But for the water, we don't know, so we just have to assign the product. Usually he buys these waters, 28 bottles. And the next time he will send me an order, it's going to be detected automatically by the artificial intelligence. And same for the beer. He wants, I don't know which one, Mobius, let's say. And everything is done automatically, and I have my deposit computed automatically for the box, the crates. Perfect. So now we have the order of Mantvya, and my warehouse will start delivering. Let's have a look at a small video explaining how we manage a beverage distributor in Odoo.
Running your beverage distribution business has never been easier. With Odoo, track stock effortlessly from full crates to single bottles, process B2B orders fast with automated pricing, create sales orders in seconds, and much more. Welcome to Cheers & Co., where we distribute every kind of beverage, from craft beers to premium sodas. Let me show you how Odoo makes my day a whole lot easier. It's 7 a.m., and the first delivery truck rolls in with a fresh shipment of Mobius Blanche, our best-selling beer. With Odoo's barcode app, I scan the pallet in seconds and my stock updates automatically. It adds 20 crates with 24 bottles each. Since all my crates are full, my stock of individual bottles is currently at 0. Now, let's say a customer buys 10 single bottles. One crate gets partially opened, so we now have 19 full crates, and our stock of loose bottles is now at 14. No manual calculations, no headaches. By 9 a.m., my sales team is already processing orders. They received an email from a client with a PDF quote attached. All they have to do is drag and drop it into the sales app, and boom, the order is created instantly. From there, they just apply our B2B pricing and send out the confirmation email. As beverage distributors, we charge deposits on all our crates. In Odoo, I've created multiple deposit types, which can then be applied to any product. When a customer returns empties, Odoo credits their account automatically and it's reflected on their invoice. Of course, most of our clients prefer to order through our e-commerce site. It's clear and easy, and prices are automatically reduced for logged-in B2B customers. They can choose between delivery or in-store pickup, and access their invoice instantly after checkout. Through their online portal, our clients can check order history, track shipments, and even process returns. Potential clients can also reach out via a simple contact form on our website. As soon as they submit it, their details land in my CRM, allowing me to follow up immediately. Whether it's a quick call or a quote, I never miss an opportunity. Meanwhile, we're also selling beverages at the front desk. A walk-in customer buys a few sodas, pays by card, and asks for an invoice. I send it straight to their WhatsApp. Fast, paperless, and a great way to stay connected for future promotions. Let's restock some Kava and Jack Daniels bottles in our Odoo purchase app. I'll just create a purchase order, add the products in a few clicks, and done. And for bestsellers like Mobius Blanche, I've set up replenishment rules. So, whenever stock dips below 10 units, Odoo reorders automatically. One less thing to worry about. In the afternoon, we do a quick inventory count. With my scanner or mobile phone, I can scan everything in minutes, and my stock is automatically updated. As the day winds down, it's time to get orders out the door. In Odoo, I can group shipments into one truck, make sure the vehicle is packed efficiently, and preview the driver's route with a single click, ensuring efficient deliveries and happy customers. A quick scan of the pallets and everything is processed in Odoo. Plus, I can track delivery statuses, so I always know when an order has been received. But that's not all. With just a few clicks, I can launch email campaigns, reward loyal customers with discounts and free shipping, and track analytics, all from a single dashboard. So, are you ready to toast to success? Take your business to the next level today at odoo.com. Running your...
Wow. So my restaurant is up and running, and now I think it's time to scale. You know, I'm planning to start a guest house along with my restaurant so that I can have new business coming in. And I've set up my guest house along with my restaurant, and this is how it looks like. And you know, I have published my availability of the room of guest house to website so that people can go to online and they can book a room online.
Oh, it's me. So, but you have to put my screen. Okay. So now I'm the customer of Mantvya, and I want to book a room at this new guest house. So first I look at this website to see if it's comfortable and clean. And yeah, it looks like a beautiful website designed with Odoo. So I'm gonna go to the rooms and have a look at what he has. And I like this comfy room. And let's get it for 2 days, like this. 3 days. 3 days, 2 nights. And yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna book this. And I will pay the 300 rupees right now so that it's done. So I booked my room and then I go to the hotel of Mandir.
Hello?
Yes?
Yeah. Hello, Fabien. So you book a room?
Yes.
Okay. On your name?
Fabien.
Okay. Let's go to order. I don't able to find.
Maybe it wasn't Fabien. I might have been too fast. It was demo user.
Okay. Demo user. Okay. Okay. So I can search a booking by name, by order, or I can go to schedule and check the full visibility of all the rooms, where guest is coming, where guest is checking out. I can check it by month or by week or different views. So for the moment, let's go to demo user. How many guests you have, Fabien?
2 guests.
Okay. I need a ID of yours.
My name is demo user.
Okay.
And I'm from Belgium.
Belgium. Passport.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. So let me check in. Your room number is 102.
Okay.
Okay. So now, we already have a guest arrive. We did the checking formalities, documents, and everything. It's time to serve a dinner. So let me go and add catalog 2 dinner plates, so that at the time of checkout, I can have an accurate bit. You know, it also adds city text automatically, so that you don't need to compute the text by myself. Okay. So, are you checking out, Fabien?
Yeah, can I check out?
Yeah. So let me go verify everything. Your 2 room, 2 dinner plates, and check out. And let's create a final invoice. So I think you already paid for 2 rooms online, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you only have to pay for the dinner.
Okay. Can you send me an invoice?
Yeah, I will send you invoice.
Thank you. My company will pay it after.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So you see, just in few clicks, I'm able to check in the guests, manage rooms, schedules, and everything. It's running very well, but you know, still I want to scale it on a large base. I think it's a good idea to start events for the restaurant, so that I can attract more people with coupon promotion or like different timings and so on. So let's go and install a new module in the same. You know, Odoo is super flexible. You can go and install any application as and when you want to grow your business. So search for the module, install, and it's done. So once event module is installed, I would like to host the event for afterworks, so that I can attract a lot of people, those who are working nearby to my restaurant. Okay. Let's launch this event for full of months, because this month's having a lot of festival, and I think it's a good idea to have a full months of event. But you know, what I wanted to do, let's say my event starts from, the first lot starts from 7 to 10, and maybe second we can start by like 9 to 11 or something, so that people can choose depending on their availability. Add a ticket, 30 rupees. And let's define a slots. So with a new slots creation screen, it's super easy. I can go choose the timing. So let's say first slot will start from 7 to 9:30. Let's choose the color, and I think it's a good idea to have an event on weekend. So just like that, you select this, and it's done. Let's choose another slot, which will start from, let's say, 8:30 to maybe 11 late night. Let's put a different color, select. I think it's good idea to have some slot on some days, like this. Okay. Okay, I just come to know from my team that we have a renovation work going on 12, so I think we need to remove the slots of 12, 19 and 26. So just you drag and drop, select the date, and you can create a slot on the fly. I think it's good. So let's say I'm ready to launch my event. Let's go to website. Oh, I need to change. So let's go edit, add an image, and this looks perfect. But you know, let's change the image so we can attract more people. This looks good. So I just drag and drop the image widget, change, and let's put a few more widget like FAQ, so that if people have a question, they can directly check on the website. And save. So now we are ready to get the participants in the event. Let's wait for the registrations.
But first you need to publish the event.
Okay. Yeah, always like that. So after changing any page on the website in Odoo, you have to make it public. Now it's done.
So, because the event of Mantvya is published, I can check on its website, and if I reload, you see now I have a new menu with the events. And when I go to events, I see that he's organizing great after works party. So I can go there and have a look at the next dates. And I can register on Friday, that looks good to me. So all I have to do is register, select my date, 7 p.m., 2 people. I'm gonna come with my wife, Lawrence. And just like that, I will pay and register to the after-work party of Mandir. All right, and it's a great party. We have a lot of fun. So you see how Odoo with industry